Have you and your friends ever played in an organized sports league for fun? Are you a competitive person? Do you love to win? This is Tommy Coyne with Blueprint News Network coming from Downers Grove, Illinois. The Rec League, combined with 8 teams around the Downers Grove area. Basketball is played every Thursday night at the Downers Grove Park District. These aren't just screw-around pickup games like at a normal park, but more intense and good competition games that people come to see. Mason Kohler, a senior at Downers Grove South, is a part of the league joining the Chicago Money team. He describes why he enjoys playing in the league and what he hopes for in this season.
School threats, 100%. We took a huge L to them last week, and I look forward to seeing them again, hopefully in the regular season or late postseason. So it was the Yard House, It was a hard game. I'd love to take them on again and take the W this time.
Kohler is one of the players in the league you will see that takes it very seriously. Maybe a little too much. Screaming at refs, kicking chairs, and even taunting opposing players and teams.
Sometimes you got to be selfish and crazy out there to look good, It's not always about having a good attitude. It's just about being silly sometimes.
Fred Coleman, also a senior at Downers Grove South, is a part of the league, but not as a player, but the coach. Coleman is the head coach of the Chicago Money team. He shares the role he plays in these young men's lives and how he's a part of the competitive atmosphere.
Oh, right at game time when that clock starts, I'm right there. Where do you go to lock in for the game, like the mental state? On the car ride there, for sure. On the car ride there.
Coleman, being part of the Downers Grove South men's varsity basketball team, is not able to compete under IHSA regulations, though he shows up to every game ready to get to work. Sam Myers, a senior at Downers Grove South, though not a player or a coach, she's a fan of the league, coming every Thursday to cheer on her favorite team. Here she explains her thoughts and why they care about the league.
Personally, I think Tommy Coyne is the best person in the league, or player, because I just think he's very entertaining to watch, and he seems like he's the best. He has the best basketball abilities out of everyone else.
Myers has been at every game screaming and cheering from the sidelines, sometimes even getting to spend time on the bench with the players.
I find myself the most happy during game day when I'm sitting on the bench next to all the players with my co-coach Rose Coleman, because it's really fun being a part of the atmosphere and I feel like I'm actually on the team.
Come get the full scoop and watch the boys throw alley-oops. Once again, this is Tommy Coyne with the Blueprint News Network, located in Downers Grove, Illinois, wishing you a very splendid day.